Hello, everyone. This is the question of Division 3B, which is the latest contest. So let's see what the question tells. The question is telling that there are n containers of water lined up, numbered from left to right from 1 to n. Each container can hold any amount of water. Initially, the ith container contains IAI units of water. The sum of AI is divisible by n. Okay, so we are having AIs, and it is telling that the sum of all the AIs is divisible by n. Now it is telling that you can apply operation. That operation is that you can pour any amount of water from ith container to the jth container, and the condition is that this I must be less than j, and any index can be chosen as I or j any number of times. Determine whether it is possible to make amount of water in all containers the same using this operation. So let's understand what the question is telling. Okay, so let's say we have an array of size 5. Now this is an array whose sum is 15. Okay, now the question is telling that you have to choose an I, the operation in j. Condition is that j should be greater than I, means you can take like 4I as I and 2 as j. You can take 5 as I or 2 as j. You can take 5 as I or 1, and you can pour any amount of water from this index to that index any number of times. Means simply we can say that any amount of water can be taken to its front or its after elements. Now the question is like that you have to make all the elements equal. Now equal means you know that equal element. That equal element, you know it. That equal element is nothing but sum by n, right? That equal element is sum by n. So you have to make this 4, 5, 2, 1, 3 as its sum by n. So what is that? Okay, you can see from here is that it is 15 by 5, okay, which is 3. Means you have to make it as 3. Means this array should be, this all the elements should be 3. Now how do we do that, or how we will do it is not our main thing. We have to give as answer as yes or no, if we can do or not. So what is the case? See, what is that? If it is like, okay, if it is greater than 3, let's say if this element is greater than 3, then you can take this and pour further. It is extra, right? It is extra, which is to be taken from here to there, right? So what our algorithm will be look like, we will take this all and we will store in the variable. This is also an extra, so we will store the extra part only. Like here we need 4, we need 3, so we will be storing like 4 minus 3, which is 1, because it is extra. So we have to put in an extra part like 1 or 2. Okay, so the thing is that you have to make this 3, this 3, this 2, 3, 1, 3 and 3. Okay, so when the answer is no, okay, so what is the test case when there will be answer? So let's say you have 2 here, you have 5 here, and you have 4, and you have 1 and 3. Now here what is happening is that here I need 3. There are no back elements which can give me extra, or I don't have any extra. Like that extra is like extra, I don't have any extra. Okay, so we will print no from here. Here only we can say that there are no extras. Further there may be extra, I cannot pour elements from further elements. Okay, now let's see another test case. Let's say you have here 3, let's say you have 2, let's say you have 4 here 1 and 5. Same example, just we have arranged it. So here also there will be answer is no, because 2 before needs a 1, he needs a 1, because here the 3 is already, so we will go away. Okay, there is no change, but 2 needs something so that he can get 3, but he can't, so we will print no. Okay, so now let's go to the what our algorithm will be look like. Okay, so let's come to example 4, 5, 2, 1, 3. Okay, what we will be doing is that we will be storing an extra variable ex, which will tell it how many extras are there from before the element. So here we will start from 0, that as we don't have any extras. Okay, now here I know that how much extra is there. I have to make it 3, so my extra will be now 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, after 1. Okay, now it came to 5. And from 5 he find that okay, there are extra, which is 2. So extra will be incremented to 1 plus 2. So my extra will be now 3. Now it comes to here, I have to make it 3. What I will do, I will decrease my extra. So how much I need 3, and already I have 2. Already I have 2, so I need 1. So yes, it is possible. My extra that I need is 1, which is there. There may be a case where this extra may go out of it. Means what is the case I just saw here. Here I was needed 2. So how here my element was 2. So how much I need extra is like 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1, right? But my extra was, what is the value of my extra here? Extra is 0. In this case I will print no. Why no? Because my extras I don't have any extras before. I need to make it, but I don't have, so I will print no. So in that case my extra is like, okay, a 3, so I will decrease my extra by, so it needs to, right? So now after that my extra will be like how much I need 3 minus 1, which is 2. So I need that, I need, it's can be need, not extra. So 2 is what, that I need it, I need that. Okay, so now my extra is also 2. So yes, making it 3 is possible. So after this one will become 3, or we can say we have made my extra is equal to 2 less. So now my extra is 0. Okay, now I have come to 3, and 3 is satisfied, and there is no extra. So I will move forward, and then as I have made all the elements 3 and my extra is also 0, I can say it's yes. Okay, so the main thing is that you take a variable extra. That extra will take the extra from the starting, and if in the between we get an element that we can't make element equal to what we need actually, so we print no. Okay, so let's go to the code part. So here I have taken the inputs and I have counted the sum of a by accumulate function. Okay, now what, how much we need, that our element should be, it is sum by n. Means I have to make all the elements this need equal to need, or sorry, I can say I have to make all the elements of our array this. Okay, now let's iterate from start. Okay, and we check, okay, that is our ai is greater than or equal to our element that what our need. If it is greater than or equal to, and I also have extra, that okay, how much extra we are having, which is 0. So if ai is greater than or equal to element, so I can take that, okay, so I can put it into the extra plus equal to ai minus element, and then I can go further. Okay, now if my ai is not equal to that, if it is less than element, then I have to borrow from extra. Okay, so if now what happen if extra is not, so how much I need, I need how much, element minus ai, right? I need that. Now if my extra is greater than or equal to need, so yes, you take this, you take that extra. Okay, you take it extra, so my extra will, my array will take it, and I will minus the need from that, and I will move forward. Otherwise, otherwise, if my extra, my need is greater than extra, so I have came to the point that okay, now I can't make that, so I will print no here. So this is the code, and at last if we pass all the things, and I will print yes. So this was the code. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So here we are doing just simple thing, we are taking an extra variable. If we are having an extra thing which we have to make equal to an element, so we take that extra and we just go, and if it is less than, then we take a need element that we need this, and for extra is greater than need, okay, so give that need to that element and minus that extra. Okay, and if my extra never, my need becomes greater than extra, then it's not possible, so I print no. Okay, thank you.